So, firstly, hello, my dear friends, and today I am want to say that I am learning spoken English from the DPS classes, and I want to say that why I am coming here and why I am learning spoken English language. Because I think that there is a need of the English language in my life, and there is no need in my life. It is necessary for my life. Without oxygen we cannot survive. It is just like compared to the oxygen. Just like without the English, I cannot survive in this competitive life. The generation of the full of competition, because in this competition generation there are lots of people who knows about they have lots of knowledge, but because of some problems, because of some English language problems, because of some problems they are not able to take the jobs that they are capable for that job, but because of the English language they are not able to take that job. But I think that my parents and I also think that there is a need of English language, so I am coming here in the DPS classes. And because of the English language, it is a type of international language. So that's why I think that I feel that I have to I have to learn English language, because without the English language I think that I cannot survive in this generation. This is completely a modern generation. This is a generation filled of with like a competition, filled with modern technologies, and I can I only can handle the technology, the modern technologies by the help of English, because the modern technologies only contains the English languages and only contains the different things, that because the just like the modern robots, the modern technologies, and they are made by the scientists, because and it always only contains their own language and the English language, because the scientists think that the English is a national international language. So that's why the robot was made in the English language, because that's all. I think that in the conclusion, I think that there is the most important thing in my life. That thing is the English. Without English I cannot survive. I'm not talking about myself. We cannot survive in this modern technology generation. That's all.